Part 5, Jeep WJ steering gearbox.
This will be part 5, continuing install of the gearbox on a Jeep WJ. And I've got a correction to make. I was wrong about this 36 millimeter socket that I used. It is a 33. This is a 36, but it's wrong. Somehow you can see this is too big for this pitman arm nut. And what happened when I put the impact on it, it had turned and caught in there sideways there, and that's what took it off. And it was stuck in there, and I had to pound it out. So I don't have a 33 millimeter. I ordered one, and it'll be in tomorrow. So that's going to hold me up again. I'm going to try to get the pitman arm on and started, but I'll have to wait till I get my 33 millimeter socket, deep socket, to complete it out. And I apologize for the misinformation. 33 millimeter on the pitman arm nut.
Here's the new power steering pump from Rock Auto.
This is my Jeep. The power steering unit that I ordered just came in brand new. It's an Edelman from Rock Auto. And I haven't made a decision if I'm going to put this on right away or not. I'm going to take a look at it, but I may put it off. I just haven't made that decision yet. Out for now.
This pull-out gearbox I've got going back to dead Jeep. And the gearbox out of my Jeep has been turned in to Advance Auto for core charges.
Back again on part 5, continuing with the steering box. Okay, there's my new steering box. There's the new power steering pump, which I haven't decided yet if I'm going to install it or not at this time. Also, there's the new pitman arm. I believe it's Moog. Looks pretty solid. Anyway, there's the new nut. Now, for some reason, pitman arm nut, they didn't send me a new washer with it. So I'm gonna have to use my old washer. I cleaned it up and I'm painting it, because it was a little rusty. Of course, it's been on there a long time. So that's what I'm working on now. I'm going to try to put this or install this pitman arm and get it started. I don't know if I can or not. I'm waiting on a 33 millimeter socket that I should have ordered last week, and I thought it was 36 millimeter, but I was wrong. And it messed me up, and I did make some corrections at the beginning of this video. Out. I got the pitman arm just slightly on, in place, and I got the lock washer and nut just barely started. Yeah, I got it laying up here on the corner of the Jeep, just under the hood there, where when I get ready to start, it'll be right there. This is part 5 again on the steering box. You can see I got it down partially in position. I'm gonna get back up underneath it now and try to get a bolt in it. Now, most of them are showing pulling it out at the bottom. I took it out at the top and I put it back in through the top, and I left the pitman arm off because it made it a lot easier, and there's enough room for me to put it on and torque it down, and I can get it as close as I can into the position that I took the old one off. Out for now. And as you can see, it's not too far from the bolt holes, so I'm gonna see if I can get one started. See what happens. Okay guys, I've got them started. I got all 4 bolts started. I hope I don't have them cross-threaded.
What the hell you talking about, boy?
But I'm going to get my impact on it, because those bolts are pretty long. And we'll see what happens. I'll get back to you shortly. My Jeep, an update on this install. As you can see, I got them all in. And
It didn't seem like the first time I put them in, they went in, but they were crossed a little bit, not cross-threaded. The box was not lined up right. So I took them back out and redid them again. I put them in a little bit at a time. And as you can see, the box looks pretty straight, but there's a difference in the length. See if I get this left. This bolt here is not as deep as these others. So I might have to check on that because the box looks all right. And it's aligned up here because I've got the steering linkage on it, slip right up on it where it's supposed to. So I just don't understand, if all these bolts are the same length, why is this one not going in further? It's as tight as it can be.
Hey,
all tight.
there's something strange
And
going
they're
on
all
here.
in deeper than this one. I'll have to check it out. And guys, I think I'm going to do a part 6 on this because I've been working on this for several hours. Extremely hot and humid, and I'm wore out. When I got the box on, I'll have to do some research. I got to check on that because I'm not sure about that. But I think I'm going to end it here. Post this one. I believe it's part 5. Finish it up tomorrow with a part 6. And go from there. We'll see. My Jeep out. Okay, I'm back. I just noticed something on this. You see the frame there? The frame is wider or thicker where that bolt goes in. And that's probably the reason why it's not going as deep as the others. So I think I just found the answer to my question I had a while ago, but I'm still going to look into it, and I am going to end it here. I'll see you on part 6 when I finish this up, hopefully. Out for now.